There was definitely a time where I did not like diffusing my curls because I didn't know how to. And every time I did it, it was always frizzy, not shiny, not bouncy, like, until I learned. And I'm gonna teach you so you can fall back in love with your curls again and get that shine, that volume, all that good stuff with no frizz. Just keep watching. So as you guys can see, we are already done with styling. The diffuser I'm going to be using is going to be from Love PS. You can find it on the TikTok shop. This is the one I've been using for probably past a year and a half, I would say. And what I love about this one, magnetic attachment, okay? And then, wait, she folds. Look at that. Look at that. For travel purposes, my biggest tip for when you're diffusing, baby, that neck needs to stay in rotation, okay? Like that neck needs to keep moving at all times, okay? Because if you keep your neck in one place and you diffuse, the curls will stay in that one place. And we want moving, bouncy, flowy curls. What I do first is I like to diffuse just the body of the hair. So I'm literally just gonna go around just literally like this. Now, once you finish diffusing the body of your curls, we're gonna get into flipping your head to get that curls, and then we're gonna do the scrunching. So we don't have our curls stay like this, we're gonna flip, just like this. Another big important tip when it comes to diffusing and scrunching your curls with this is when you are scrunching your curls, leave it there. Leave it there. Don't move it. If you move it, you create frizz. Don't move it. Leave it there. Learn some patience. And baby, I promise it'll come out. Mwah. Another tip, because when you're diffusing your curls and you have it up here, you'll know when the curls are good and dry when your scalp is burning, okay, from the heat, okay? That's when you know you can move it and go to another section. Now, if you're looking to increase your volume while diffusing, here is definitely my tip. When you diffuse your curls, you're gonna go like this. You're gonna go into it and then push up. And then you just hold it there and let it dry. And that'll create more volume on the top part. If you guys want a specific video just on how to get more volume in your hair, comment below and I'll specifically make that a separate video for you to watch. So now that we're done diffusing, we're gonna unscrunch from the gel cast these curls. I'm using the Olaplex Bonding Oil number 7, literally my go-to. When I try new oils, I'll let y'all know and you'll see me using them, but this is literally my go-to. Just make sure the oil is spread evenly across both your hands, and all we're gonna do, grab a piece of the hair like this and then just slide it down. You're gonna do that throughout your whole head of the curls so we can make them nice and more softer and bouncy. You see that bounce? Look at that bounce. Oh! Now you can see the difference when we take off that gel cast. Look at that. Movable, shiny, no frizz. Okay. Oh, so cute. Love it. What a good hair day. But that is all for my diffusing video. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other things you guys want to see in the comments below. Okay? My little curly fries. See you again soon. Mwah.